There was once a small village in Odisha named Sitapur. The village was surrounded by rice fields, lush trees, and a small river. In this village lived a young girl named Lily. Despite her young age, she was very intelligent and always eager to help others. Every morning, she would go to the river to collect water. The villagers affectionately called her Pania Jaya, which means the water girl. One day, the water in the river suddenly decreased. The villagers were worried, wondering, how will water reach the fields now? Lily pondered, the river is drying up. There must be a reason for it. She decided to climb up the riverbank to investigate and discovered that some logs and bushes had fallen into the river, blocking its path. Realizing the obstacle, she gathered the children of the village and said, "Come, let us all work together to clear the river." With everyone united in their effort, they successfully cleaned the river.